Introducing the 2021 Kia Sedona. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine. Kia prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a trip computer, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and a split-folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 8. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.